Hi, this is Jeffrey. Today's masterclass introduction is about your home business. Why is it a win-win-win? Build your business from home raises the question, are you more efficient? Do you really get more done? Is home the best place to start? These questions, and many like them, are what affiliate marketers, network marketers, entrepreneurs, and home business enthusiasts ask regularly. Is building a business from home better than working from elsewhere? Working from home gives you the flexibility to be at home. This is so obvious, it sounds silly. Think about it. By being at home, you can map your schedule to be available for family needs that you could not be available for if you worked elsewhere. That's flexibility. Consider something as basic as a personal dentist appointment. Let's say it is scheduled for 10:30 a.m. If you were working from someplace other than home, would you be inclined to drive to your workplace, put in an hour or so, and then go to the dentist? Or would you be more inclined to take the morning off and play catch up later? The flexibility of building your business from home is that you can put in an hour or so before your dentist appointment, go to the appointment, and return home to pick up where you left off, or sit back for a bit to let the dental visit wear off. Then get back to your work. That's flexibility. And yes, if you have children, working from home makes it much easier to accommodate their doctor, dental, school, and other appointments. Not something easily done when you have to go elsewhere to work. But does working at home automatically help you get more done? Are you more efficient? Many people dream of being able to stumble out of bed and begin their workday. They argue that since they don't have the commute, they can start right away. This suggests they are working during the time others would be commuting. The problem with the argument that people roll out of bed and start to work right away does not mean they are working when they would normally be commuting. It is most likely because they do not have to be up as early as they had to when commuting to the office. They get to sleep in a little later and start work at the usual time. There is merit to the argument that they are more efficient. A commute in traffic is stressful. How stressful can it be walking from one room to the next? Being more refreshed enhances efficiency. However, there is no significant supporting evidence that employees working from home start work earlier in place of the commute time they no longer have. Having a job and working from home is one work from home avenue, but it is not being self-employed. What about being self-employed and working from home? Can you really make a serious income? Can you really build your business from home? Absolutely. Truth is, you can build it from anywhere. An idea, a business concept, is nothing until someone acts on it. Acting on an idea can be done from anywhere there is an internet connection. Need to register a domain name? It is just a click away. How about inexpensive web hosting? Just a click away. What about engineers or other professionals? They are just a click away. How about copywriters, graphic artists, web designers? Just a click away. The idea that anyone can build a business from home is supported by the ease with which it is to create a website and launch an online business. When you build a business from home, it is a win, win, win. From the environmental perspective, less commuting is a win. From a family perspective, having more time with them is a win. From a health perspective, no office politics, backbiting, forced deadlines is a win. From efficiency, all the right tools are readily accessible along with the coaching and mentoring for anyone to be successful working from home. Another win. To build your business from home, start with your why. Narrow it down until you know your niche. Then decide on a website name. Select a domain name registrar, a hosting package, and a content platform. WordPress is a well-known content platform. That's it. And yes, it can be as easy as it sounds. There you have it, the foundation for today's discussion in our masterclass. We'll hit the nuts and bolts about building your business from home. By the way, if you are tuning in for the first time, our preferred domain registrars and web hosting providers are builditfromanywhere.com and websitewebhostingservices.com. Find out more about our masterclass membership by checking the links in the description. We hope to see you on the inside